Kaya kahit anong mangyari, kung natatandaan nyo, kahit po noon nagka-pandemic, meron tayong press conference. This year, our theme, Empowering Voices, Nurturing Responsible Campus Journalism in Support of the Matatag Curriculum. Hinihikaya ang lahat ng mga campus journalists na maging mapanuri because ang panahon po natin ngayon, medyo hindi na siya ganoon ka-stable katulad ng dati. We live in a VUCA world. Tinatawag po natin na VUCA. Yung volatile, uncertain, and so on. So, sa pagiging mapagmasid, ipapakita nyo ang inyong pagiging responsible journalist. So, on behalf of the 60 teaching and non-teaching personnel of Apalit High School, together with the more than 1,300 students, welcome to Apalit High School. So, kung ano man po ang mga pwede namin i-provide sa inyo ay pagdamutan po natin lahat at sana ang isang araw na pag-stay ninyo sa ating pangaralan ay maging isang makabuluhan at a memorable one. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat at uli magandang umaga sa ating lahat.
Sir Ismael M. Nuki, Principal 3 and Cluster 6 Chairperson. Let's give him a big hand.
Good morning po. Thank you. I'm just about to get the names of our guests. Good morning to each and everyone. May mayabang po kayo natapungan. Good morning! Yes, so this is indeed one great opportunity for all of us to gather for this, I should say, a prestigious competition in the Department of Education, and that is the Campus Journalism Press Conference. But before that, I will give my very short message. I would like to give my respect to our panelists for the press con later.